Hey, this is DM Foss with Untactical, Barely Practical, and today I thought I would do a pocket dump EDC. What is my everyday carry when I leave the house? So, let's review it. This is what I carry pretty much every time I leave the house. My wallet, my wedding ring, Heckler & Koch P30, my phone, my keys, and I consider my belt as part of my EDC. This is a core belt. They used to be called track line. It uses the ratcheting system to secure. It's a very stiff belt, and I would wear it whether I'm carrying or not. Ratchets into place, it gives you a lot more adjustability, and there's just a little lever to release. I don't carry a large flashlight. I've just started carrying this little flashlight on my keychain, and it seems to do all right. It's just enough light to see in the dark. I carry a larger flashlight in my car, and I kind of supplement what I carry on my person with what I carry in my car. My H&K is in a We the People holster. It's a single clip. I carry about 230 with a forward cant. I do not carry a pocket knife. I really like my Kershaw Cryo 2. It's a liner lock knife, but it takes up pocket space. Since I carry it about 230, it covers my front right pocket. My wallet goes in my rear right pocket. My phone goes in my front left pocket, and my rear left pocket I like to keep open for receipts or change or things like that. Instead of a knife, I carry this little multi-tool. I don't remember where I bought it. It says Swiss Tech. It's got a small blade, a sawtooth, bottle opener, Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and I'm sure it's supposed to do some other stuff, but I don't remember. I've carried it for probably 15 years, and this has been able to do pretty much everything I've needed a knife to do without the bulk. The other benefit of carrying this little multi-tool over a pocket knife is this can go where this cannot go. Because when it's on my keychain, it just becomes another key. And basically anywhere I've been able to take my keys, I've had my little multi-tool. And I'm not going to be fighting with my knife. So that's what this is for. If it's something that I can't punch my way out of, then that's when this is needed. So the knife isn't really that necessary, I don't think. But that's what I carry. If you want to carry more or carry less, that's up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm just showing what I do. This is just what I carry daily. If I were to go hunting or camping, then what I carried would be a little bit different. Oh, have a good day.